Hello everyone and welcome back to TravelSolo Channel. So again we are back to another video of Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay. And this time I have flown again. Tried my DJI Mini to drone and to fly over Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay from Veterans Village. Just to give you a little bit of update as to what's happening on the ongoing constructions and development in Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay, particularly here at the Veterans Village. I shown you last year when I went home about the plan for the KCC Mall to put up here at Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay. And of course, the construction is still in full swing. So I'm going to fly over to this particular area. And also, there are a few more updates with regards to some new additions here in Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay.
Still ain't know where you can find me at. Journey through the mind of an insomniac. I ain't never sleep, staying ready, keep an eye out for the fakes. For the snakes, load the clip and I'ma pull it, something shakes. Never go to battle if you plan to lose.
Ito po yung ating KCC Mall. Alright. Yan, this is very close to our house. So mga 3 minutes walk lang na dyan, ma-reach na natin ang KCC Mall. So still ongoing pa rin ang construction.
Hands got swords in my gunners. Put on my strap, put on the beam, put on the map, put on my team. Take out every motherfucker in between. Know what I mean? Better myself, better my aim, better my rap, better my name. Killing rappers on my hang, I'm by their chains for the fame. Never thought I would it, now I'm running. You don't wanna follow me, no motherfucker running this. I ran in the jungle with the truth, trying to get it what it does. Battling and I ain't never lose. We some motherfucking warriors.
So itong nakikita natin ngayon na nasa left hand side na may nakatayong crane, ayan po ang City Hardware. So ginagawa na rin po ang ating City Hardware na yan, tinatayo na po dito sa Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay. Also, the same dito pa rin po sa ating sa aming lugar sa Veterans Village.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, bang got my hand, call.
At ito naman, so yan yung bagong gasoline station na malapit ang matapos. Ito yung paglabas o pagpasok mismo sa amin sa Top Bars 2 subdivision. Makikita natin ang ating gasoline station. So yun lang po ang ating mga updates. So enjoy the view, the aerial view of Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay, particularly the Veterans Village. Thank you and God bless everyone. See you next time.
Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand. Call
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.